Hey guys, this is a video of how I make the hole into the handle of my spoon. I use chisels, so just kind of go in there and on the other side, so we're gonna come out. Can feel it, yeah. There you go, we break in. You see that? You break in, and then I will just come. Yeah, there you go, we get a big hole now, and then I just go from the other side. Get that, and just do not try to force it, just try to make sure you clear the hole, because the rasp has like a tiny little head and then it just kind of widens, so you don't want to like push it or anything like that. You can break your